Army shuts down drone battalion amid leadership shakeups. The Army's abrupt decision to dissolve a newly established drone battalion signals a broader struggle to keep pace with rapid advancements in unmanned aerial technology. While the exact reasons remain unconfirmed, the move coincides with a wave of leadership changes, including firings and forced retirements of senior officials. This suggests that internal disagreements over strategy, resource allocation, or operational readiness may have contributed to the cancellation. For business owners, the lesson is clear. Even large, well-funded organizations can falter when strategic alignment and leadership continuity are lacking. Companies that partner with or supply drones to the military must therefore maintain flexible contracts and be prepared for sudden shifts in procurement priorities. The Army's leadership shakeups, firing of key commanders, and forced retirements highlight the fragility of organizational structures when faced with emerging technologies. Leadership turnover can stall projects, delay funding, and erode stakeholder confidence. For businesses, this underscores the importance of building relationships with multiple decision makers and maintaining a diversified client base. Relying on a single procurement channel can expose a company to abrupt policy changes. Additionally, companies should monitor political and administrative developments that could influence defense budgets and procurement cycles. The Army's decision reflects broader operational challenges, integrating new drone platforms into existing command structures, ensuring interoperability with legacy systems, and meeting stringent safety and reliability standards. These hurdles can delay deployment and inflate costs. For businesses, this means that delivering a drone solution that is not only technologically advanced but also compatible with existing military infrastructure is essential. Companies should invest in modular designs, robust testing protocols, and clear documentation to ease integration and reduce the risk of project cancellation. The Army's abrupt cancellation illustrates the need for proactive risk management. Suppliers should conduct scenario planning to anticipate policy shifts, budget cuts, or leadership changes. Establishing contingency plans such as diversifying into commercial or civilian drone markets can mitigate revenue loss. Additionally, maintaining transparent communication with defense partners about development timelines and potential risks can build trust and reduce the likelihood of sudden project termination. 1. Diversify your client portfolio beyond a single defense agency to spread risk. 2. Invest in modular, interoperable drone designs that can be quickly adapted to new operational requirements. 3. Engage in continuous dialogue with multiple levels of decision makers to stay informed about policy changes. 4. Develop contingency plans that include commercial or civilian market opportunities. 5. Implement rigorous risk assessment protocols to anticipate and respond to leadership or budgetary shifts. By following these steps, businesses can better navigate the uncertainties inherent in defense procurement and position themselves for sustainable growth. This program uses AI-generated voices. American Tech Consultants helps businesses plan, integrate, and support AI and information technology solutions. Learn more at americantechconsultants.com, call 954-998-2994, or email support@americantechconsultants.com.